Push-ups are a type of strength-building exercise. Though they mainly activate muscles in the arms and shoulders, they also engage muscles in the core and legs. Therefore, push-ups are beneficial for building strength throughout the body. In this video, we focus on the effects of daily push-ups on the body. We cover the benefits, as well as the potential risks. We also discuss whether or not people should do push-ups every day. And most important, the effect of push-up speed on your body. Will 100 push-ups a day do anything? People who repeat the same exercise daily will notice that it becomes less and less challenging over time. People refer to this as a fitness plateau. It indicates that the muscles are no longer developing. If you want to see huge additions in muscle, you do have to lift weights. If you plan on seeing huge gains, you can't just do thousands of push-ups to get that physique. And doing 100 push-ups every single day is not exactly practical. In the long term, it's extremely taxing on your body. However, practicing push-ups every day does come with some risks. These include lower back pain, wrist pain, and elbow injury. People can reduce these risks by learning the proper technique for the push-up variations they want to incorporate. Fast push-ups may cause elbow strain. A 2011 study investigated the effect of push-up speed on elbow joints. The researchers tested 3 different push-up speeds: fast, medium, and slow. The study found that faster push-up speeds resulted in greater forces on the elbow joints, ligaments, and other surrounding tissues. They concluded that faster push-ups could increase the risk of injury to these structures. The study also showed that slower push-up speeds resulted in greater muscle activation. Overall, these findings suggest that slower push-ups are safer and more likely to result in improved muscle development. People who choose to practice push-ups every day should also try to incorporate other forms of exercise. This is likely to provide a greater overall health benefit than push-ups alone. As with most exercises, push-ups may increase the risk of certain injuries. Many injuries result from using an improper technique. People should talk to a fitness instructor if they are unsure about how to perform the different variations of push-ups. Push-ups are a popular exercise for strengthening the core and upper body. Many people incorporate push-ups into their regular exercise routine. The benefits of daily push-ups include improved muscle mass and cardiovascular health. Why are push-ups hard? Push-ups are difficult for some people because they depend on your body weight. Push-ups may also be hard if you lack core strength. Keeping your core engaged, the whole movement will make it a lot easier. People with weak core strength may need to train this as well to improve their push-up. Okay. How much calories do 100 push-ups burn? For better understanding, if a 180-pound man performs 100 push-ups in 5 minutes, he will burn approximately 34 calories. Taking into account the fact that not everybody can perform push-ups for 5 minutes at a time, the amount of burned calories per training session will be even lower. Will 100 push-ups a day make me lose weight? Will I lose weight if I follow the 100 push-ups plan? Push-ups alone will burn some calories, and do help increase muscle mass to some degree, which in turn takes more calories to maintain. Push-ups are particularly effective at strengthening the muscles around the shoulder joints. The muscles and tendons in the shoulder area are responsible for keeping the upper arm bone in the shoulder socket. However, it is important to increase the number of push-ups gradually to build up sufficient strength in the muscles. Overloading weak muscles can result in muscle and tendon injuries. Overall, the benefits of exercise tend to outweigh the risks. There are several different variations of push-ups, and each type activates the muscles in different ways. Standard push-up. The hands are shoulder width apart and directly in line with the shoulders. The upper body, or trunk, lines up with the legs, and the body remains rigid throughout. Wide push-up. The distance between the hands is twice that of in the SP. Narrow push-up. The hands are below the center of the breastbone, or sternum, with the thumb and forefinger of each hand touching. Forward push-up. The hands are shoulder width apart but 20 cm, in front of the shoulders. Backward push-up. The hands are shoulder width apart but 20 cm behind the shoulders. Push-ups also cause temporary compression of the intervertebral joints in the spine. An intervertebral joint is the point at which two sections of backbone come together. People with existing back conditions should talk to a doctor before incorporating push-ups. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.